Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the narrator voice on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows Start button and select Settings. Select Time and Language on the left side. And then on the right side, select Speech. And then scroll down where it says voices and click inside the drop down, and you can select one of the voices from the list here, as well as previewing the voice. Adjust the voice speed as well, so it gives you guys a few different options to work with. And that's about it. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.